The idea of a high rail dream evokes something bigger than just another train. It suggests a future where transportation becomes smoother, faster, more comfortable, and completely transformed by design and technology. Around the world, high-speed rail is already rewriting how people move, but this concept pushes far beyond that. It imagines a train system engineered not only for speed, but for elegance, intelligent operation, and a travel experience that feels closer to aviation luxury combined with the calmness of a cruise ship. In many ways, it brings together the best elements of mobility, precision, safety, efficiency, and style into one visionary project. What makes the high rail dream different starts with its structure. Modern high-speed trains rely heavily on lightweight materials, aerodynamic shapes, and energy-efficient propulsion. This concept pushes the envelope by introducing next-generation composite materials designed to reduce both weight and vibration. That means smoother travel at extremely high speeds, even on long routes that cross multiple landscapes. Imagine sitting inside a cabin where you barely feel the movement of the train beneath you, where noise is reduced to a soft hum, and where the world outside glides by like a moving painting. That kind of refinement requires advanced engineering, and the high rail dream brings it all together. The interior design is another major highlight. Instead of the typical rows of seats separated by narrow aisles, the high rail dream concept uses a cabin layout inspired by luxury lounges. Seating areas are more open, with adjustable smart seats that adapt to body posture and temperature. Large panoramic windows stretch almost from floor to ceiling, creating a floating sensation as the scenery unfolds. Soft LED mood lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day and passenger comfort levels. It's the type of environment where travelers don't just endure the journey, they enjoy every moment of it. The luxury amenities go even further. Some versions of the concept include private cabins, similar to first-class airline suites, offering sliding doors, entertainment systems, and workspace setups for business travelers. Dining cars take on a modern twist with digital menus, onboard chefs, and compact kitchens capable of preparing fresh meals. For long-distance routes, the train could offer sleeping pods with hotel-style bedding. And for passengers looking to relax, there might even be small wellness zones with recliners, reading lounges, or VR-powered entertainment spaces. The goal is simple: transform rail travel into an experience people look forward to, not just tolerate. Of course, a dream train must also be smart. The high rail dream concept uses advanced AI systems to optimize everything, from route management to energy use to passenger flow. Sensors continuously monitor track conditions, weather patterns, and mechanical performance, making real-time adjustments to maintain safety and efficiency. This digital backbone also enhances the passenger experience. For example, the moment you board, the system could adjust your seat, temperature, or preferred lighting if you've set up a personal profile. It can track crowding and automatically suggest alternative compartments to avoid congestion. All of this creates a seamless, intuitive travel ecosystem. Speed is another core pillar of this futuristic rail concept. Traditional high-speed trains already reach around 300 to 350 km per hour, but the high rail dream pushes toward ultra-high-speed possibilities. With magnetic levitation-inspired technologies, aerodynamic shaping, and improved friction-reducing track design, this concept could potentially achieve speeds well above current limits. The purpose isn't just to break records, it's to shrink travel time so significantly that trains become the preferred choice over short-haul flights. Imagine going from one major city to another in under an hour without ever stepping into an airport. That's the power of this vision. Environmental sustainability is also a huge part of the high rail dream. As the world moves toward cleaner mobility, trains already stand out as one of the most eco-friendly forms of long-distance transportation. This concept amplifies that advantage. It could run on fully renewable electric grids, utilize regenerative braking, and employ solar-assisted systems built into the train's roof and station platforms. Smart scheduling and AI-driven energy optimization ensure minimal waste. And with more passengers choosing this mode of travel, carbon emissions from short flights and long highway trips would significantly decline. The dream isn't just about high speed, it's about a high standard of environmental responsibility. Another interesting element is how the high rail dream reshapes cities and travel culture. High-speed rail has a strong history of boosting economic development wherever it operates. Towns grow around stations, tourism increases, and new business hubs emerge. This futuristic concept could accelerate that trend even more. Because the train promises fast, luxurious, and reliable service, it would attract international travelers, business commuters, and long-distance explorers alike. Stations could evolve into mixed-use complexes with shopping, entertainment, smart parking, and seamless links to local transport. Essentially, the train becomes more than a vehicle, it becomes a catalyst for urban evolution. Safety, as always, remains a top priority. High-speed rail is already one of the safest transportation systems in the world, and the High Rail Dream builds on that foundation by adding predictive safety technology. AI continuously scans for anomalies in the track, train body, braking system, and electromagnetic environment. Automated emergency response systems are faster and more precise than human reaction alone. Communication networks between stations and trains ensure instant updates on any operational matter. These layered safety mechanisms make the journey not only smooth but exceptionally secure. All these innovations converge to form a powerful idea, a train system that finally aligns with the way people want to travel in the modern era. Fast, quiet, clean, luxurious, intelligent, and environmentally responsible. It breaks the old stereotype that trains are slow or outdated. Instead, it showcases rail as the future, an elegant and powerful solution for a world that needs efficient mobility more than ever. Ultimately, the High Rail Dream represents ambition. It's about imagining transportation without limits. It challenges designers, engineers, and governments to think beyond today's possibilities and move towards something extraordinary. Whether this concept becomes reality soon or in decades, its influence is already shaping how we think about travel. People want convenience without compromise, speed without stress, and comfort without excessive cost. The High Rail Dream is a symbol of exactly that balance. If you want, I can also create the video description, hashtags, keywords, or a clickbait title for this same topic. Just tell me.